Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning to everyone student. Welcome to chemistry class. In this class we are going to study reactions in solutions. Reactions in solution. Here observe a majority of reactions in laboratory is carried out in presence of solution. So most of the reactions are carried in solutions in laboratories or anywhere while we are doing chemical reactions. Therefore, it is important to measure the concentration of the solution. It means the amount of the reactant or mass of the reactant or weight of the reactant or also the percentage of the reactants and as well as product. Therefore, it is important to learn some concentration terms that helpful to determine the quantity of the substance in both the reactant as well as products and how much of the reactants can be converted into products and as well as. So now those concentration terms are the mole fraction or mass percentage. The concentration of the solution can be measured in terms of mass percentage or either in terms of mole fraction or in terms of molarity or in terms of concentration, normality, etc. There are so many terms those used to measure the concentration of the solution. Here in this, the first four is given in your syllabus to measure the concentration of the substance present in the solution. Now let me have to discuss one by one in detail. Now take first one, mass percentage. All these terms are measured in terms of mass or volume. Now first one, mass percentage. So mass percentage is defined as the ratio of mass of solute divided by means to be mass of solution into 100 is called mass percentage. Mass percentage is defined as the ratio of mass of solute to the mass of solution into 100 is called mass percentage. Now based on this we have to calculate the amount of substance is present in the solution. Example, take problem. Let you know how to calculate the mass percentage. So listen, take example. Here we are taking example a problem. The problem is a solution is prepared by adding 2 grams of substance A to the 18 grams of water. Calculate the mass percentage of the solute. This is the problem. So this is the problem. Now observe solution. So here mass percentage, that is mass percentage. Calculate the mass percentage of the solute. So we have to calculate mass percentage of the solute. That is a solution prepared by adding 2 grams of substance A. Substance A is nothing but what? Solute. So mass percentage of solute is equal to mass percentage of solute is equal to what? Mass of solute. Yes, the solute is 2 grams of substance. Okay, 2 grams of substance. What is the mass? 2 grams. That is 2 grams of substance A. Divided by, we don't know, A is nothing but what? Just take given A. So A is nothing but either take sodium chloride or potassium chloride or calcium sulfate, any substance. That is mass of the substance is 2 grams. Now to the 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. Here the solvent is water. You know a solution. When we are going to the concepts of solutions, solution is obtained by adding solute plus solvent. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ is 2 gram. That is 2 grams of substance A is a solute. We are going to calculate percentage of the solute. And mass of the solution. So mass of the solution is nothing but the both solvent and solute. Here the solvent is water. That is 18 grams of water. So that 2 grams of substance A plus 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. This is the mass of water solution into 100. This is the formula on substituting. Now that is equal to, calculate 2 divided by 2 plus 18 into 100. That is equal to 2 into 100, 200 divided by 18 plus 2, 20. So 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 2 ones are 12, 2 tens are. So how much you get? 10. That is writing percentage. So 10% of substance A, that is mass percentage of a solute is how much? 10%. Means in 2 grams of substance present in 18 grams of water, it means 10% of the substance A is present in 100 ml. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 100 ml ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಇರುತ್ತೆ substance A ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, this is the percentage calculation. It is a term that is used to measure the concentration of solution. Now the second one is take mole fraction. So the next concept is mole fraction. Mole fraction. So mole fraction is defined as the ratio of number of moles of component A to the total number of moles of solution. This is the mole fraction. So this is the definition of mole fraction. Mole fraction is defined as the ratio of number of moles of component A to the total number of moles of solution. This is the formula for mole fraction and also the definition. Now observe, for example, if there are two components A and B are present in solution. So let me have to take, if there are two compounds in a solution, that is A and B. One solution alli ಎರಡು compound ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now how to calculate the mole fraction of component A and component B? That is therefore, and the simple indication of mole fraction is chi. So this is the symbol used to indicate mole fraction. Mole fraction indicate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ symbol ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, that is called chi. CHI is the chi. Therefore the mole fraction of the component A, is equal to number of moles. This is A is nothing but what? Number of moles of the component A divided by total number of the moles of solution. So solution ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಎರಡು. Therefore number of moles of component A and number of moles of component B. And similarly mole fraction of component B A ದೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, B ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ similarly number of moles of component B is equal to the ratio of number of moles of component B divided by sum of the component, that is A plus NB, that is NA plus NB. This is the mole fraction calculation. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ mole fraction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Then the next term is after mole fraction molarity or molarity. Take the third one, molarity. So the next concept is molarity. Molarity is the third term that is indicated by M. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute to the total volume of the solution in liter. Total volume of the solution in liter, that is number of moles of solute to the total number of volume in solution, volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter is called molarity. So molarity is defined as molarity is defined as the ratio of number of moles of solute to the volume of solution in liter. Number of moles of solute to the volume of solution in liter. So this is number of moles is nothing but concentration. C, number of moles of solution solute is indicated as C, that is concentration, and volume of the solution in liter. Volume of the solution in liter, that is indicated by volume V. Volume of the solution is indicated by V. Or this can also be indicated V. So now observe the concentration. C is indicated by number of moles, that is weight divided by molecular weight. Weight divided by molecular weight, that is equal to number of moles of the solute. Moles is nothing but N, and volume, this is volume of the solution. Number of moles of the solute is indicated by N, is the concentration, and volume of the solution is indicated by C, is terms of concentration. Now N is equal to number of moles, that is weight divided by molecular weight. Weight divided by molecular weight. So number of moles of solute ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ N ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, volume of the solution in liter ಅನ್ನೋದು concentration C ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now N is equal to weight divided by molecular weight, and the concentration is indicated by volume divided by 1000 ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore it is equal to weight into or weight divided by volume. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ weight into 1000 divided by molecular weight into volume, that is required volume or volume. So if you get confused, write volume only. Volume. So this is the formula for what? Molarity. Molarity, that is M. So molarity is equal to weight into 1000 divided by molecular weight into volume. This is the molarity. Then next one, take molality. So next one, molarity. Molarity is defined as the ratio of number of moles of solute, the ratio of number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. So observe, in the case of molarity, we are taking number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solvent in liter. In case of molarity, number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ kg ಗಳ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. This is the difference only for molarity and molarity. molarity ki molarity ki is matra difference. So this is the definition, and based on this we have to calculate the problems in the next class. Okay, so this is the definition. Now understand the 4 concentration terms important. Among these, molarity and mole fraction is very important. Okay.